So I'm looking for some auto salvage places today. I'm out in Dorr, Michigan, and I guess it's down here. I don't even know if I don't want to go down this road. I had to back up and take a picture of this gate. This is pretty interesting how they built that, the axle and stuff of a car. So we're entering LKQ yard, and we got to go back to the import section. So we're all the way at the back. I'm looking for a Toyota Corolla. Yeah, I should have wore the other boots. That's a Jaguar? Huh. This guy was in a shootout or something. Oh, look at that car. You got it all propped up. Toyota right here. It's the same motor and everything. What I need is this right here, but it's broken, I think. No, I don't need that. Mag wheels. I'm using it as a bridge. That's a Honda. Get on through to the next side over here. Now, these mags look pretty cool. Kind of partially put on. It's a 2.4 16 valve. What is it, a Honda or something? It's a Mazda? We'll head down to the next section here. One more section to go through. I just saw a bumper sticker. It says patience. That's pretty bad. Yeah, that's bad too, man. Oh, I need this piece. There's a mirror. Is it broken? Oh, it is now. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, it is. Corolla. The whole front. Everything's gone, but here we go. Here's the mirror. I need this plastic piece. It's broken. This mirror looks good. I'm gonna have to get this. What does it say what year? It's a 2006 Corolla. I wonder if it has the updated speakers in it. Door open. It's got the speakers. I might grab these. Wow, this piece of plastic. On here. A little clip inside of here. I think that comes up and off. And I need that clip. And I'm just going to unplug this, undo these bolts right here, and I get that mirror for the car. Here, it's only these 3 bolts once you get that panel off. I'm going to go over to the other one and get the speakers. On the inside of my Corolla, it does have the extra plug for the tweeter option up in here. So I'll replace this mirror right now. Mirror installed and the little tweeter. There's this bracket and it's plugged in. You can put everything back together now.